Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. Today I'm here to talk to you about a skill which is so core in our lives. This is something that we've been doing since we were, very young till date, and we have been doing it unconsciously. Yet there comes times when we forget the importance of this particular skill in our lives. Hence, I decided to talk about it today with you people. What is it? Let me come to that. I'm naming it Abundant Mindset Tool number 11, which is learn the skill of learning. Yes, guys, it's very important to keep learning and to keep unlearning things in life, because as we are evolving, so is the technology, so are the people around us, and so is everything around us. So it becomes very important for us to keep on learning and evolving. Learning has different definition to different people. To me, it's all about encountering different situations and growing out of those, and more importantly, being open to new challenges, new ideas, and new experiences in life. Some people confuse learning with studying. No, as the name suggests, study is for students. Learning may not be structured like studying. Learning is something we do at every point of time in our lives. So, our whole of life, from our birth to our death, is all about learning. How do we learn? I mean, we learn we learn in different ways in different situations. But why am I talking about it today? It is because, in the last few years, I have talked to a lot of people and tried to, tell them ways as to how they can reach a more abundant state. But I saw that many people were closed to new situations. They are like that we already know everything, and we do not have any space in our mind to learn anything new. And the ways are changing, but they are not ready to change their mindset. They are not ready to incorporate new skills. They are not ready to learn new things in their lives. So I thought that, why is it happening? I mean, why are few people so closed? Because if you would think about your childhood, I mean, as children we are like sponges. We are ready to take in everything. We are like, I mean, we can learn from everything around us. If you look at a child, the child is ready to learn from TV, the videos, the people who are talking around him, the mud, the toys around the child. And everything around the child is, it fascinates the child so much that you would have seen that a child takes everything in his mouth at times to know what it is. Or children come to their parents asking questions that, tell me more about this. They watch Discovery and they want to know in more detail. They watch, TV channels, and they want to know more as to, why is this child singing like this. I mean, the child wants to know everything. But then as adults, sometimes what happens is that amidst so much chaos that that we are encountering, and so many people trying to teach us so many things in different ways, what happens is that sometimes we are not ready to take in those new things, and we set ourselves on a defined path. We are not ready to encounter new experiences. We are not ready to learn anything new. We are not ready to unlearn and learn better ways of doing something. But learning, as I already told, is not an event. It's a process. It's a lifelong process. I mean, a lady learns, during the pregnancy and post pregnancy, how to take care of a child. A child learns how to ride a bicycle. So everything happens for the first time, and everything has to be learned. So, when the skill of learning is so important in our lives, why not enjoy the skill, and why not, bring it more into our lives? Why not again bring in that excitement of a child when we encounter a new situation? That, yes, this is new and I have to learn it. Wouldn't life be like a blessing? Every new thing that we, get into, we would feel like, wow, I need to learn this. And in this process, we learn so many new things in our life. So let's start enjoying the process of learning, and let's learn the skill of learning. It's really very important, and it will really take you places, I'm telling you. So that was my message for today, guys. with this, I'll take a sign off for now and I'll be back very soon with a new message. Till then, all the best, guys. Take care, stay safe.